Hello, kids. Today, we are going to practice your reading comprehension. Are you ready? Let's begin. Fairies are small, magical creatures found in many stories. They live in forests, gardens, or near streams. Fairies are tiny, have wings like butterflies, and love to help nature. They take care of flowers, trees, and animals. Fairies are kind and sometimes grant wishes or sprinkle magic dust. In some stories, they like to play funny tricks, but they never want to hurt anyone. Fairies hide in special places like under mushrooms or inside flower petals. They come out at night when it's quiet. People say fairies love kind people and those who care for nature. Some make little fairy houses in their gardens to invite them. Fun fairy facts. Fairies wear clothes made from leaves or flower petals. They love shiny things like stars and dewdrops. Fairies sometimes use wands, but many use their wings for magic. Tinker Bell is a very famous fairy from stories. Questions to think about. Where do fairies live? Sky, sea, forests and gardens. Correct answer. Fairies live in forests and gardens. Question to think about. What do fairies love to take care of? Moon, flowers, trees, animals, butterflies. Correct answer. Fairies love to take care of flowers, trees, animals. Questions to think about. How can you invite fairies to visit? 1. Make dinners. 2. Give them a treat. 3. Make little fairy houses. Correct answer. You can invite the fairies to visit by making little fairy houses. Questions to think about. What is one thing fairies like to collect? 1. Flowers. 2. Coins. 3. Stars. Correct answer. Fairies like to collect shiny stars. Questions to think about. Who is a famous fairy you know? 1. Diana. 2. Tinker Bell. 3. Isabel. Correct answer. Famous fairy is Tinker Bell. Good job, kids.